Welcome back to Whiteburn Adventures. We are Mark and Rachel. As we continue along the road in the Gammon Ranges, following the blue line on the map, we are doing a circuit from our campsite. We have come out of the park, so we decided to put up the drone to see a bird's eye view. Come along for the ride. Did you see the emus ahead of us? The colours certainly keep changing. Uh-oh, who crashed the drone? Who was the pilot? Can you see the yellow-footed rock wallaby having a munch for his dinner as we slowly go past? Hey, cutie. Packed up camp this morning and we are on our way down towards Blinman and Parachilna Gorge, where we will camp for a few nights. It is amazing the rock formations and cliffs you come across as we leave the Gammon Ranges. We will show you some areas of interest as we come across them. So sit back and enjoy the scenery. As we take the North Flinders Road, we came across a lot of goats. Hopefully you can see in the distance all the goaties. Goaty, goaty, goaty! As we travel down towards Blinman, the scenery is forever changing, from mountains to trees, and it was extremely green when we were up here in September 2025. Blinman, here we come. We have arrived in Blinman, tiny now, but once a copper booming town. In 1859, a shepherd finds copper and thousands flood the ranges. By 1910, the mine collapses, the crowds vanish. What remains? South Australia's highest, toughest little outback town. New waste area at Blinman. Recycle, rubbish, dump point. We are just turning off towards Parachilna Gorge, a spectacular, rugged, scenic drive and free camping area in the northern Flinders Ranges of South Australia, located about 8 kilometres east of Parachilna. The gravel Parachilna Gorge Road runs through the gorge between the plains and the historic town of Blinman, featuring steep cliffs, red earth and creek beds. Looking to the left, we came across some red ochre cliffs. Always keep an eye out when you're travelling down these dirt roads, because we came across a family of emus. There are 5 chicks. This is the start of the camping areas, which you can camp alongside the road and the creeks. But we kept on going to see what is further on. We've turned off to have a look at another campground, but we didn't stay in this section, but it looked pretty nice. I do like the trees and the mountain in this camp area, but we had a quick look and then moved on. Who else out in camping land likes to spend their time wandering around campsites to see if you can find the perfect spot? We found a campsite set up just a bit above the creek and river, because you never camp in the river. Put on a fire and sat back and enjoyed the sunset. We cooked dinner and sat back enjoying the fire. Isn't that what camping's all about? Until next time, thanks for watching.